All right, stash update 2026 for the 250th. Got the half sticks, getting another case. Parachutes for the ladies and the kids. Goofball from Monkey Mania, got half a case there. Got the 76 Pro line. A couple Dark Stars from Pro Fireworks. Nice willow cake, good duration. Good thinking Lincoln from Winda. Got some leftover 76 Pro line from some shows a couple years ago. Got that max load. Porch pounder by Big. Max load 4. Some more just Pro Fireworks stuff. Max load, Miller time. And this is that Tiger brand stuff. Got a case set from Pyro Demon. Frozen Glory. 572 shot Roman candle cake. Couple fans. That's just a rewrap from the Chill the Fourth Out from Legend. It's the same exact cake. Got the Husker Doos from JD Fireworks. Rainbow Crush Legend. Some more 76. Got some Noabs here. And then we move on to the Pro. There's a 400 shot mini show in the box from Night Owl. It goes about 4 minutes. Pyro medley by Pyromax. That goes like 2 minutes or 3 even. And then we move on to the Pro line room over here. And we got, some novelties, some little moon shots. Lots of rockets. Got the Master 4-inch. Some Tomahawks back there. And then more Pro line. We got the Pyro Eagle 250 shot red, white, and blue. Pyro Eagle 260 shot red, white, and blue. We got a 300 shot red, white, and blue Comet to Salute from Night Owl. Couple more from Pyromax. Pyromax is my favorite. Toxic 320 shot. Hell of a thing. That's just a crazy effect cake and slice cake. 200 shot Willow Madness from Night Owl for part of the finale. Got this RDX set from Pro Fireworks. And then I got random stuff. I'm making another trip this next week. More half sticks, But yeah, that's it for now. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more for sure coming next week.